Okay, the giant breadboard. I'm going to have all these conveniently placed along here. About 24 across, 24 here, and then a couple smaller ones for the power line, which will go up here. So I'm just going to be cutting grooves out into this board here, and then fasten them all down, then I'll just solder wires across the bottom level. And I have 31 of these guys all soldered up here. So I got about 48 of these to do, and I've been about a half hour soldering these things. So okay, well, I'm gonna make sure that we cut the ends off really good, and you got to cut a little bit of the plastic off here so that they're so close to each other that you can't really press them all the way open if you don't take off a little of this plastic. Have it. The breadboard is done. And now for demonstration. Okay, so we got 12 volts at 5 amp power supply here, hooked up to my breadboard. So let's just see if it works here. I'll grab a 20 watt halogen bulb. I'll throw it into a couple of leads here. How about this guy here? And we'll throw this guy into here. And then we'll, as you can see, the size of this wire is pretty thick. So we can work with thick wires here. So we'll hook the ground up here to the ground rail, and the positive to the positive rail. And as you can see, we got the light on. So it works pretty good.